Quick question. What if waiting to retire is actually more dangerous than retiring early? Yeah, I know that sounds backwards, but stick with me because the data and real life are saying something very uncomfortable. Look, most people think retirement is all about hitting some magic number. Like once you see 7 zeros, fireworks are going to go off and the angels are going to sing, and suddenly life is going to be perfect. And you know that's not how this works. Not even close. Today I'm sharing 6 uncomfortable truths about retirement timing that nobody's talking about, and they matter way more than your spreadsheet. Point number 1. Prime years are shorter than you think. Let's start with the reality. Your highest energy retirement years don't last forever. And according to recent CDC data, most Americans spend their later retirement years managing at least one major health condition. Translation, those go-go years are limited. So if your plan is, I'll work longer and enjoy life later, later doesn't always show up on schedule. Your knees, your back, your energy, they don't wait on your retirement account. Point number 2. Retirees spend less than they expect. Here's a surprise. Most retirees I work with spend about 25% less than working households. Why? No commuting, no more work clothes, less eating out, no payroll taxes. So a lot of people delay retirement thinking, I need a reason to weigh more income, when the reality was you probably don't. Your lifestyle changes whether you plan it or not. Point number 3. Working longer doesn't equal happier. Another uncomfortable truth. Most Americans over 55 are not loving the grind. They're tolerating it. The big difference is, and you have to ask yourself, are you working because you love it or because you're scared to stop? One leads to purpose and the other leads to burnout with a simple 401k. I have 3 more to go, but I want you to make a comment below if you think I'm absolutely nuts or if you can relate to any of these ideas. What's your reason that you're still working? Are you waiting for Social Security? Trying to pay off some debts? Tell me what your thoughts are in the comments. Point number 4. Retirement doesn't mean never work again. Let's kill another myth. More than half of retirees today still earn some part-time income. Consulting, seasonal jobs, hobbies that accidentally turn into side income. Retirement today is not sit on the couch forever, it's flexible. You control your schedule. You control your stress. You control the mornings. It's not quitting, it's upgrading. Point number 5. Waiting too long can backfire financially. Here's the irony. People who delay retirement too long often end up withdrawing more per year later. Why? Because healthcare costs rise and retirement timeframes shrink. So instead of spreading income out over 25 or 30 years, they're forced to pull harder in fewer years. And that's not safer, that's riskier. And point number 6, you can practice retirement. This one is powerful. You don't have to guess, you can test drive retirement. Try living on your future retirement budget for 90 days. Park the extra income, see what breaks, see what feels easy, see what you don't even miss. Most people learn 2 things. Number 1, they don't need as much as they thought. And number 2, they waited way too long to try this. It's low risk, high clarity, that's smart. Here's the real takeaway. You can make more money, you cannot make more Saturdays. You cannot make more family dinners, you cannot rewind your healthy years. Retirement isn't about quitting work. It's about starting life on your terms. If this video made you rethink even one assumption, then it's already done its job. Please comment, tell me your thoughts, and as always, consult a licensed professional who understands your specific goals and dreams.